And they roll on your knees. Moving up by the rail is Speed Sense. Mac Dollar comes next. Then on the outside, Haywire. Followed by entry number 5. Moving up now to take third, Taylor Made. Heading towards the last 900 is Speed Sense. In command, throwing a challenge is Haywire. Taylor Made is down in third, followed by Mac Dollar by the rail. Stand by your man, Fire Prince on the outside. On your knees. Paring Hilton and trailing the group is the chairman. Heading towards the final 600 is Speed Sense in command by about a length and a half this time. Haywire is in second, moving up by the rail is Taylor Made. Heading towards the last 450, Speed Sense still in the lead. Taylor Made moving up by the rail. As they turn for home, we have Speed Sense in the lead by the rail is Taylor Made. With the last 400 meters more to run, Speed Sense, Taylor Made is by the rail. And Orion is sneaking in down on the inside. With the last 150, it's Taylor Made over Speed Sense. On your knees is by the rail. And with the last 75 meters, it's Taylor Made over on your knees. And finally, Taylor Made on your knees, Speed Sense, Mac Dollar, Paring Hilton. For your pentapecta then comes Fire Prince. Stand by your man, the chairman, and for A, Haywire.